Hi, and welcome to the channel The Code School. To receive the latest video, please subscribe to the channel. The objective of this video is to learn how to install Python and PIP on Windows operating system. PIP is package manager for the Python. We'll be using the latest version of the Python as of date, which is 3.8 to download and install on Windows operating system. At the end of the video, we'll also run some of the Python tester program to check if everything works well. So let's get started. All right, so open a browser and type URL python.org/downloads. I'll be leaving this links into the description of this video. You will see the download Python latest version shown on the top, and rest of the previous versions if you can locate down, so you can download any of the previous versions if you want. uh, the latest one as of the date is 3.8.2. That is what I'm going to download, so I'll just click on the downloads and we'll see the download completed. We'll go to the downloads folder. I'm going to bring my downloads folder to the shared screen. Well, so this is the folder where the download happened, and you can see the Python 3.8.2 exe. You can start the installation process just by double clicking on the exe. You can see two of the choices. First one, you can just proceed with the simplest way without having any customization to do. If you do not want to do any customization for the PIP version or etc., you can just click on the first part and then move for the simple installation. If you want to make any changes, for example, the file path where you want to install or any feature customizations, you can choose the second one. So you can click on any of this and then complete your installation accordingly. But don't forget to check in this stuff. This checkbox is required to be checked because this will add the Python version, Python home path into the path variable in the environment. So uh, it will make the Python available for anywhere in the command prompt or git bash or any terminal you are using. It will be helpful to get you the Python there. Even the IDE can locate the Python easily, right? So you don't have to do any additional work here. So make sure you check in this checkbox and proceed with any of these options. So I'm going to choose the first option, and then I get this dialog box. I can say yes and then proceed. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, we can so process for the installation ends up here, and you can just close the window once the installation is completed. Time to test. So you can we can go with the basic testing. Just to verify if Python and pip is there, you need to hit the command to check the versions, right? So we say Python minus minus version should come up with the version that we install. So it says that Python 3.8.2, which is right now installed. So let's check the same thing with the pip, the package manager for Python. What version it got installed is I think 19 is the latest. So let's see 19.2.3, which is installed with 3.8, right? So this is what it shows, and that confirms our Python and pip, both of the tools are installed properly and configured. It's available for development. We can run some of the expression in the Python inline interpreter and check everything works fine. So we can say print, give some statement to print. So we'll say, hi, this is a test statement. Let's see if it works. Yes. So next thing we can do is we can assign some variable and see if my print statement can print that. Yes, it works. So I can even print A with some increments by 10 and see it increments. Right, so these are few testing statements which confirms that the Python is up and running and I can do my development work using the Python. Thanks a lot for sticking around and watching this video. Hope you liked it.